Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Vengeance LPX 16GB. These are made by two DIMMs and one DIMM will be get us 8GB. DDR4 DRAM with 3200 MHz C16 Memory Kit. Oh, of course. As you can see on this board, I can attach the more than that two DIMMs, but yeah, it's not so cheap. So that's just the beginning. But here there are. The Vengeance LPX memory is designed for high performance overclocking. The heatspreader is made of pure aluminium for faster heat dissipation, and the 8-layer PCB helps manage the heat and provides superior overclocking headroom. It's optimized for AMD Ryzen, and as you can see, there is built-in an AMD Ryzen. Yeah, CPU is installed. That means it will work super nice with the Vengeance DIMMs. Of course, you can install it on Intel XMP certified platform too, no problem. Designed for high performance overclocking, the Vengeance LPX memory is designed for so much high power overclocking. The heatspreader is made of pure aluminium for a good dissipation, and the custom performance PCB helps manage the heat and provides a super overclocking headroom. Each IC is individually screened for peak performance potential. The part of the exhaustive testing process, including the performance and compatibility testing on nearly every motherboard on the market, and a few that aren't. So, the Corsair RAMs will match to your motherboard if your motherboard will work together with DDR4 DRAM. DIMMs. You have to look on your motherboard specs how much megahertz power the RAMs can bring in. 3200 megahertz is a medium ranking of heart rate. The XMP 2.0 support is awesome. One setting is all it takes to automatically adjust to the fastest safe speed for our Vengeance LPX kit. We will get amazing, reliable performance without lockups or other strange behaviors. And this is new, and this I think is really a good step into the right direction. Aluminium heatspreader. Oh, that's for overclocking. Overheat is limited by the operation temperature. The unique design of the Vengeance LPX heatspreader optimally pulls the heat away from the ICs and into our system's cooling path, so we can push it harder, baby. And it's designed for high performance overclocking. You do not have to perform overclocking, of course, but it's good to know that you can do it. Each Vengeance LPX model is built from a custom performance PCB and highly screened memory ICs. The efficient heat spreader provides effective cooling to improve the overclocking potential. And we have a low profile design. The small form factor makes it ideal for smaller cases or any system where internal space is at the premium. And it will match to our system. The best high performance system looks as good as they run. The Vengeance LPX is available in several colors to match our motherboards. We can build these RAM blocks not in laptops or notebooks, of course, not in smartphones, not in tablet, etc. It's only designed for personal computers, ATX motherboards, etc. Available in several colors to match our motherboards, and our other components. Our case or only just the favorite color you can choose as you like. There is I think it was blue, black, white, and red is on the market. The DDR4 form factor is optimized for the latest DDR4 systems and offers the high frequencies, greater bandwidth, and low power consumption than DDR3 models. The Vengeance LPX4 DDR4 models are compatible tested across DDR4 systems for reliability and fast performance. There is XMP 2.0 support for trouble-free automatic overclocking, and they are available in multiple colors to match your personal preference. That it is what we are built in our rig. The Vengeance LPX 16GB DDR4 DRAM 3200 MHz C16 Memory Kit in black. Thanks for watching, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.